For the feather stitch, we're going to start with 4 parallel lines and bring your needle up on the very left on the top line. And then you want to skip one of the parallel lines and bring your needle down, still on the very left side. And then leave a loop on top of your fabric. And then go 1 stitch length forward on the line between those 2 lines and bring your needle up. And then make sure that your needle is going through this loop that we left on top of the fabric. So this is similar to the fly stitch, but we're going to be linking all of the fly stitches together. So from here, we have our thread coming up on this line. We're going to skip a line, bring our needle down to this bottom line, leave a loop, come up 1 stitch length to the right in the middle of those 2 lines through the loop, and then give it a nice tug to make a V shape. And from here, we're going to go back up. So here's where our thread's coming up. Skip a line, take our needle down on the top line, leave a loop, go 1 stitch length forward to the right on the line between those 2 lines, through the loop, and give it a nice tug. So just continue doing that down the line. This is a nice decorative stitch. And you could even do it in like green and add little flowers on the ends of the V's. Lots of fun things you can do with this stitch. And then when you get to your last little V here, just go over this stitch 1 tiny little stitch forward just to tack that last part of the feather stitch in place. And that is how you do a feather stitch.